Back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to SharewithLoveTV. Yes, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my fellow content creators, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for stopping by, also for always coming back to watch my video. I dab for every one of you. I hate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Happy new month to every one of you. Happy new month, guys. We made it to December. Yes, we made it to December. Okay, today's video is gonna be unboxing. Yes, another unboxing video. Yes. Guess what? I'm gonna be unboxing my new laptop. From, guess who? From my hobby. Yes, yeah, it's time to get a new laptop for my YouTube channel. Yes. Okay, guys, are you ready to unbox this baby? Are you ready? It's HP laptop, okay? HP. What is it called? Yeah, HP. You see the name HP, okay? Unbox the baby. Let's unbox the baby. Let me move back a little bit so that you guys can see. I'm not cutting my head off the camera. Yeah, let's open, guys. Okay, are you ready? Are you guys ready to unbox? I have to be careful with the knife. Let's see. Okay, I think I opened the right. Is that the right place? Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Look at it, guys. And this one is the, what is it called? It's just the instruction how to set it up. These are the manual. We're gonna read this one later, okay? We're gonna read it and see what is, how to set it up. Ooh, it's black. Black is beautiful. Ooh. It's very portable. It's not that big, but it's not that heavy. It's very, very portable. It's very portable. I like the color. Yes. Now I can be able to edit I can use my laptop to edit videos, because the MacBook we have, for no reason I can't download any editing app on it. I don't know why, but I'll decided to give me this, yeah, so that I can leave his laptop. This is mine. It's not heavy at all. Right size for me. I like it, guys. You guys like it? Look at it. It's so beautiful. HP. It's so light. It's not heavy at all. Not heavy. What is this? Is this one? Okay, this one was the one that was. Yeah. I'm going to set up this thing later. Yes. Look at it. My new laptop. Yeah. My new laptop. Yeah. So beautiful, guys. I hope I know how to use it. First of all, where is the charger? Okay. It doesn't come with charger. It's supposed to have charger. Yeah. Of course, it's supposed to have charger on it. I came with it. If not, that would not be nice. Yeah, it has charger. Let me bring out the charger. This is the charger. Okay. This is the charger. Okay, this is the charger that comes with it. Charger is so light too. This is the charger. You just plug this one there. Yeah, I love the length. It's okay. It's not that bad. There's the charger. Yes, our new baby. My new baby. No touching, Abigail. No touching. This is mine. Yeah. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. And the color is like, oh, it's not heavy at all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This woman, eh? Oh, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love my unboxing. My new laptop, a gift from my hubby. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm loving it. I can't wait to use this for YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube, baby, for YouTube business. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it for the unboxing. That's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I hope you guys like this video, and compliment of the season to every one of you. I love you guys. Stay safe and do what is right. Okay, bye everyone. Bye. Bye.